Emerson's just opened a new facility here close to Budapest. I'm curious, what made you choose for Hungary?
That's a great question, Sir David. Well, few reasons for that. The first one is Hungary is Central Europe from the logistics point of view. So as we want to cover all Europe, including CIS, it makes sense from that point of view. Another reason is about the workforce. I mean, in Hungary we can find very technical skilled workforce with good language skill as well, and even more critical to us. And this is what I experienced in the last 10 years working with Hungarian people, is their customer care culture. And the last reasons, but not the least, is about having already in Székesfehérvár our sister business unit, Fisher Controls, with more than 400 people that we can leverage, and who are, by the way, really supporting us very well in this startup of the plant.
And will this facility operate on a standalone basis, or will it somehow be integrated with existing Emerson plants?
Well, it's part of our global strategy, global manufacturing strategy. On one side, we want to be global, and at the same time, we want to be as close as possible to the market and to the customers. So when it is about product design, manufacturing processes, quality processes, and so on, it's global. But then, again, we want to be local in order to be as close as possible to our customers.
And what can you tell me about the range of actuators that will be produced here?
So we right now the plan is to start from what we call the G medium to the G large, what we call the G5 up to the G13s. Obviously, as soon as we will start producing volume on those actuators, I think we will think about extending the product portfolio of this plant.
And just to make it clear in my mind, the G series, so we're talking about Bettis products?
That's exactly right. I mean, this is the Bettis G product, Scotch Oak product.
So how will this plant benefit your customers?
Well, the first driver of this investment has been reducing lead time, improving responsiveness. It's all about speed.
Final question. Will this new factory also have a service center?
Well, when we talk about service center, we get already existing service center in Europe. We get one in UK, in Pieterlee, we get one in Willich, Germany, and we get one in Hengelo, in Netherlands. And this is where we do configurations and project management, and we want to be even closer to the customers. But then Székesfehérvár, which is a Bettis plant, it's in addition to the plant, we get there organizations doing quotations and order management, which then is in the support of the service center we get in those countries as I just mentioned.
So it's all about being close to the customer?
Exactly. That's the overall approach, to be as close as possible to the customer as a global company.